someone who gets stuck at the very question of having to prove a trigonometric identity? Well, then this video is for you. Hi there, welcome to Leap, where you learn once and remember forever. I am Deepika, a mathematics educator based in Melbourne who makes math AEAP, as easy as possible. Let's get into the video. Now, when you're given a trigonometric identity to be proved, there are three different ways in which you can prove the problem. Now, the very first way is basically you start with the left-hand side of the identity, you solve it step by step, simplify it, and you arrive at the last step where it is equivalent to the right-hand side of the identity. So you start from the LHS, you solve it, and you reach the RHS. Now, the second way is you start the RHS part of the identity, you work out, you simplify, and you arrive at the left-hand side of the identity. So that's basically going from RHS to LHS. And there is another way, apart from the first and the second, where you start with the LHS, you simplify it, and you reach a point where it cannot be simplified further, and neither it's equivalent to the RHS. So it's basically something very different. You keep it like that and mark that as expression 1. And then you start with RHS on the other side, simplify it further, and then you arrive at a point similar to the LHS and you mark it as 2. Now, when you look at 1 and 2, the first expression and the second expression that you've got, they will be one and the same, they'll be equal. So that means you have simplified both LHS and RHS and you have equated them to a much simplified form. So this is another way of proving. So these are the three ways in which you can prove a given trigonometric identity. Thank you for watching, and if you are looking forward to know more on how to solve math concepts easily and also furthermore videos in trigonometry, then please follow Leap and make math AEAP. Thank you.